Hello there, I'm Anna, and I'm thrilled to have your attention as we embark on this journey towards applying to Mission College. In today's video, we'll take you through a comprehensive step-by-step guide on how to become a part of our vibrant community in Santa Clara through the CCC Applied Admission application. Your interest in joining us is genuinely appreciated, and we want you to understand that every person on this campus is dedicated to ensuring your success. Our diverse and compassionate faculty, staff, and administrators are wholeheartedly committed to supporting your educational journey. We offer a plethora of resources to guarantee your well-being and prosperity, both inside and outside the classroom. Our campus is in a constant state of evolution to provide you with an exceptional learning experience. So let's dive in. To apply for Mission College, follow these steps. Visit missioncollege.edu. Hover over the Applying option to see more choices. Click on Apply Now. On the right side, select the type of student you're applying as: new and returning students, international students, non-credit students, high school dual enrollment students. Please note that non-credit and international students will have separate application processes. For new and returning students, you will use the CCC application. Dual enrollment students will also use the CCC application, but need to fill out a dual enrollment form additionally. Detailed steps for each student type are provided when you click on the respective tab. Let's focus on the steps for new and returning students. You'll be directed to the CCC application. If you have an account, sign in. If not, create an account. If you enter your phone number and email with the verification code will be sent. Check your email for the code. Agree to the terms and services and provide your contact information, including address, city, zip code, and state. For step 2, provide your personal information, including your legal name, preferred name, and date of birth. Create a strong password for your CCC account. Remember to keep it secure. Sign in using the account you just created. Click on Start a New Application. Select the term you are applying for. Specify your education goal and major category. If you are unsure, you can choose all majors. Complete your profile information, including previous legal names and your social security number, if applicable. Enter your mailing address. Share your education details, high school education, and your high school GPA. You can estimate if you don't remember. Fill out the citizenship military section. This includes providing your number if you're not a U.S. citizen or visa, details if you have one. Complete the residency section, which includes questions about your parents' activities and residency history. In the needs and interests section, provide information relevant to your success at Mission College, such as English proficiency and financial assistance needs. Indicate your interest in athletics or sports and select Mission College programs you are interested in. In the demographic information section, provide details about your gender, dependents, parents' education, and race or ethnicity. Finally, review and finalize the information and consent to the privacy policy before submitting. Thank you for choosing Mission College. If you have any questions about this process, please feel free to contact us. Our ambassadors are here to help you. Visit the Welcome Center during business hours, use live chat, call us at 408-855-5083, or reach out via email at mc.welcomecenter@missioncollege.edu. As we wrap up our video, I want to express our sincere excitement about the prospect of you becoming a part of the Mission College family. Your journey towards higher education is an important step, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Remember, you're not alone in this endeavor. Our community is here to empower you and help you achieve your goals. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to our dedicated team. We're here to make your transition into Mission College as smooth as possible. We can't wait to welcome you to our beautiful campus in Santa Clara. Your success is our mission, and we look forward to sharing this exciting academic adventure with you. Good luck, and we can't wait to see you soon.